Hey there, today we're going to look at AutoCAD, how to hide a layer, quick and easy tutorial. So let's get started. First, navigate to the ribbon at the top of your AutoCAD interface. Over here, make sure you're on the Home tab. Then go to the Layers section and click on Layer Properties. After that, a new tab will open showing all the layers in your project. Over here, go through the list and find the layer you want to hide. Then locate the light bulb icon next to that layer. After that, click on the light bulb icon. Over here, once the bulb turns off, the layer will become hidden from your drawing view. Then, if you want another option, click on the Freeze option to hide the layer as well. After that, freezing the layer will remove it from the drawing database and can help improve performance in complex drawings. Over here, hiding keeps the layer available in the database, while freezing removes it from active processing. Then continue working with a cleaner and more organized workspace. And that wraps it up. Appreciate you watching. See you in the next.